Food no longer seems to be your friend as you break out in a sweat thinking about what to eat next. Your gut seems to rebel and scream at you one way or another when you deviate off a strict plan. You want someone to show you the path out of the maze and guide you through to food freedom. We're here to do just that. Hello, I'm Eric Potter, MD, Certified Functional Medicine Doctor, here to explain how we can often identify triggers and restore gut balance so that you can enjoy food again and forget about what your intestines are doing with your food. Gut problems present in many forms and flavors. Some patients come to us with upper stomach symptoms soon after eating, and we can focus on gastritis, inflamed stomach, SIBO, small intestine, bacterial overgrowth, digestive enzyme insufficiency, or dysmotility leading to reflux and heartburn. Some come with lower symptoms of constipation, diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, or even autoimmune inflammation. Others come with autoimmune conditions, brain fog, hormones imbalances, or vitamin deficiencies and do not realize that their gut lies at the heart of their systemic symptoms. We consider GI contributions to every single patient's presenting symptoms. Given the GI tract's centrality to body function, we have to, or else we risk missing critical influences on your whole person health. From there, we almost always start with GI restorative therapies targeting inflammation, digestions, and nutrient absorption. With the disruption caused by a standard American diet and high-stress lifestyle, everyone can improve their gut health. With these therapies, we see not only improvement in resolution of nausea, diarrhea, constipation, reflux, and inflammation, we see hormone rebalance, increased energy, less brain fog, and more enjoyment of mealtime for these patients. How do we have so much success with GI issues? Your story tells us the majority of what we need to know about gut health. The dietary history, the infection history, your antibiotic prescription history, your travel history, and a review of GI-related symptoms points us towards what testing will reveal in the future. From there, we customize your testing with options from food antibody testing, stool function and microbiome testing, SIBO breath testing, or organic acid testing for yeast and bacterial imbalances. With a clearer picture, a personalized program moves past the basic restoration approach to a more comprehensive root cause long-term recovery. A healthy gut promotes our patients' healthier, more abundant life. For those who know they have GI issues, but prior therapies have fallen short of a healthier, more abundant life, we are here to help. For those who are not sure, but want to know their GI tract is at the root of their unexplained and disruptive symptoms, we are also here to help. Either way, just simply contact us online or by phone, and our enrollment team can get you started with our gut restoration work.